up YouTubers, any of these in the house? Just a quick one this, just a bit of a tip really. If you've not got a bead roller, you know, for your aluminium boost pipe, you know, what puts the bead on like that, just to stop them popping off when you put the clamp on. You can make one dead easy just by using a pair of mole grips and a little bolt. So I'll just show you how to do that. So you just need a bolt with the smooth shoulder, because that's the bit you'll be using. And all you're going to do really is you're just going to file a groove into the bottom bit there to make a groove, and then you're going to weld this bolt in and then just chop off either side so it's flush. And then on the other side where it clamps shut, where you've got the bolt in, you're just going to file another groove at the bottom so that bolt can sit in it. And then you just got to make sure these two are flat, so you've got to grind them flat. You might have to fill weld the top and the bottom, so when it clamps shut you want these two level with each other. So I've done it here on a smaller set. As you can see there, I've just got that bolt which I've just welded in and chopped off either side, and then I've welded that groove in the other side there, so when you shut it, it just has the same gap all the way around it. See what I mean? And how it's level there. But also what you've got to do, because obviously pipe's rounded, see it's just got a bit of a rounding there on not only the bolt but where it clamps shut as well. So it's just curved a bit, just so when you do actually clamp it, it can clamp round the pipe without making too many marks on the pipe. So you can just see where I've welded the bolt on the bottom, and then I've filed a little curve out at the top, and you can see just how I've done it at a slight angle there. Just curved it a bit so it'll go around the pipe when you're clamping it. And also I've filed the bolt to the same curvature. So it works quite well actually. I mean, I've done this pipe with it there, and that's not too bad, is it? It takes a while, you know, to do it, but yeah, it's not bad. It's not too bad. Seems to be working all right. And then when you're just doing it, just pop you on there a minute. So I've started one here. So you're just holding it against it and then clamping it, undoing it. It's a bit tight. And working your way around, making sure it's level. Working way around again. See, and then you can just go around it and just neaten it up with a little bit of pressure like that. It just neatens it all up for you. So that's not bad, is it? So yeah, just a little tip there if you've got no little bead roller, because they are quite expensive. So yeah, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.